I just seen the episode, so let's jump right into this. Oh, this is like this is very energetic towards Power. It's just funny because coming off that episode and she's an angel. Alright, I like to switch up. Her with a little cosplay, guitar. Yo, this is a nurse outfit. I just posted this yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, the last review. With her and Makima being nurses. Oh, she looks really cute right there. Oh, that was a nice transition between that. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Her sitting on the toilet. This is very fun. Ooh. Oh, that's what's up. I'm so glad that they have a power outro, bro. Power is my favorite character. Her and Reze. So that was actually pretty cool. I feel like I've seen like a whole bunch of fan art in there too that the community made before, because see her in her nurse outfit, it looks just like in my last video I had her and Makima in a nurse outfit in the background. So like, I don't know. Overall, I liked it. I enjoy Power. Power is my favorite character in the series. Between her and Reze, which, you know, a lot of you guys aren't going to meet until like season 2. So, yeah, it was very fun, very energetic, and very much Power at the end of the day. See you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.